Hi guys, and welcome to a video tutorial about image matting in Supervisely. Do you know that most of you have already used image matting in your everyday life? For example, when you want to remove or change background of your video call or profile photo for social media, or when you want to remove background of your product photo for e-commerce websites, all these tasks are related to image matting. Image matting aims to extract alpha masks of objects from images or video frames, in other words, to separate foreground from background. There are many use cases for image matting, and today I will show you how to use it in Supervisely. To start, create a new project in Supervisely and specify its name. Select the image matting labeling interface and press the Create button. Prepare your data. In my case, it is a project with annotations in Supervisely format. And drag and drop your data. The After Import application will automatically detect your data format and convert and upload it. Also, you can enable image matting for an existing project, go to the project settings, and select the image labeling interface to enable it. If you are familiar with Python, you can use our Python SDK to automate uploading. Learn more in our blog post or developer portal. Once the data is imported, open the project, and here we can see the new labeling interface. Let me describe some features for you. On the left side of the screen you can see the image with annotations, but the right side is an area for displaying alpha masks. Select an alpha mask object and see the corresponding pixels on the right canvas. And now I will show you how to create alpha masks using a smart tool with AI assistance. I have already deployed the Made Anything model, especially integrated into Supervisely as a new serving application, and you can use it for free. 2 simple steps to start using it. Connect your machine with GPU and start this application. If you want to use your pre-trained model, you can create custom application and deploy your model as serving application in Supervisely. Click on the link in the description and follow the complete guide in the developer portal. And now I can use it to generate alpha masks for my images. As you can see, the model works pretty well, and you don't need to provide tree maps or any other additional information. Just specify a bounding box and model will do the rest. Perfect. At the same time, you can use the brush tool to create or edit alpha masks manually. For instance, I will adjust brush opacity and hardness to control the transparency and edges of the object. Also, I want to pay your attention to the existing feature of the brush tool, its size feature. Just look at how using the zooming can easily adjust the brush size without changing it manually every time. It's really convenient. Once your annotations are complete, you can export your data in Supervisely JSON format or any other formats. I will use export in Supervisely JSON format. That's it for today. Try image matting in Supervisely and achieve great results in your projects. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Bye.